conseguir información. Conseguir información. What does this mean? This means to get information. This is a very simple term, but it's very useful, very common as well. Conseguir, the verb conseguir means to get or to obtain. And información means information. So, conseguir información means to get information. Now, let's look at some examples using this term. The first example is: necesito conseguir información sobre el viaje. Necesito conseguir información sobre el viaje. This means I need to get information about the trip. So if you need to get any information about anything and you want to say that in Spanish, you can use this term, and you could be talking about trips, you could be talking about any paperwork, you could be talking about locations, or just to know more about something. Necesito comes from the verb necesitar, which means to need. Necesito is the verb conjugated, and it's in present tense for the personal pronoun yo. Yo necesito. Yo means I. We don't need to have yo in the sentence, but we need necesito. Necesito means I need. Conseguir. Here's the phrase we're learning. Información. Conseguir información. Get information. Necesito we can include to. I need to do something. Conseguir información. Get information sobre, about, el viaje. El viaje means the trip. Okay? The viaje, trip. Necesito conseguir información sobre el viaje. I need to get information about the trip. Now, sobre, the word sobre can mean about or also envelope. So it can be a noun, and that means envelope. But sobre can also mean about. Now, let's look at another example using conseguir información. Consiguieron información en el sitio de internet. Consiguieron información en el sitio de internet. This means they got information on the website. Very simple, nothing complicated here. So if you need to get information, obviously you can get that information online, on the internet. So this is a perfect example. Consiguieron. Ellos consiguieron. We don't have to say ellos, which means they, but we gotta say consiguieron, and that means they got. Okay? Then we have información, information. So at the beginning, we have at the beginning the phrase we're learning, and on. Remember, and can mean different things. It can mean in, on, at. So it's a great word. Very useful. El, the, masculine article, el. Sitio, sitio de internet. Let's underline the whole term. Sitio de internet means website. You can also say website in Spanish, and people will understand that term. But if you want to say website in Spanish, the term is sitio de internet. Okay, so remember that. Also, remember that conseguir información means to get information, any kind of information. This is a really good one. If you have any questions, please just leave them in the comment section down below, and also share examples using this phrase, conseguir información.